Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a while. It has been a while since Monterey Car Week. And originally I was supposed to do 3 videos for Monterey Car Week. Unfortunately, I lost a micro SD card and I recently found it. So it's better late than never to make this video. And this was one of the videos I really wanted to make for Monterey Car Week, where I try to go every year. I've been going since pretty much I'll say 2018, 2019. The only year I missed was obviously when we had the shutdown and the event was canceled. But I try to go every year. This year I decided to do something a little bit different, which was doing a challenge where instead of spending the money on a hotel, you guys know when it comes to Monterey Car Week, during the entire week, all the hotels, motels sell out, all the Airbnbs also sell out, and prices quadruple to 10 times X the amount of a regular motel that costs like 60-70 bucks right now. It goes up and it's almost like 600 bucks, 500 bucks just for one night. I decided, why not just sleep in my car? I was gonna sleep in my BRZ, but I decided maybe save my back. I already have back problems. Ended up sleeping right here in Big Bertha, my Honda Pilot, spending the night there and then just waking up really early to getting some really good shots. But it wasn't just about me being cheap and saving money. The main purpose of this video I wanted to make was being able to still experience a crazy event like Monterey Car Week. Maybe not to the fullest by being able to go to Pebble Beach or the Quail, but that money that I would have spent on the hotel or motel, investing into a stock and seeing if I can make money. Originally, I was gonna just show a turnaround of maybe a couple weeks. I guess it's better now that I lost the SD card and I was able to finally find it. And that investment has actually grown a lot more. So stay tuned and see how much I actually made. But let's go back a couple months to Monterey Car Week and show you some of the crazy cars that were out there. If you guys ever get a chance to come out, please come out. You can just go down to Starbucks and you're gonna see some of the craziest cars that you probably would never see in your life ever again. That's one thing I love about Monterey Car Week, is just meeting new people.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Another Artura right here, McLaren Artura. You could tell by the little fins right here on the side. It kind of looks like a 570S, but the little fins on the side, and then it also has kind of like the 600 LT, the exhaust right here. But it's a manufacturer plate. It's a dealer plate right here. I think we're in Porsche heaven. Don't mind the 300 SL, gold wing doors, basically $1 million car right here. But we have one Porsche, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, a million ones. And if you guys don't know what this is, GT2 RS. You could tell by the hood. If I had to choose a Porsche, it would be this one right here. And we found the dream car right here, guys. Lamborghini Murcielago, carbon fiber interior. Damn. I don't know about the white, but everything else looks nice.
Around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
invested close to $1,000 and bought about, you could say, 27 shares of one of my favorite drinks out there, which is Dutch Bros. I am a strong believer that if you're going to be investing in stocks, invest in stuff that you believe in and that you constantly use almost on a regular day basis. Dutch Bros, I wish I could drink it on a daily basis, but closest Dutch Bros to me is basically like an hour away.
No, God!
Dutch Bros, if you guys are listening to this, if any executives are listening to this, please make one in San Jose, California. Population like 2-3 million people, so don't know why there's not one here. It's kind of crazy. And I invested a couple $100 in there, kind of going based off the price of hotels in Monterey Car Week. And I found some for around 300, 500, and 1,000 and plus. But ultimately, I was like, okay, let's say I went for 2 nights. It would have costed me about $800 to $900, and that's how much I put in. And I've been holding that amount ever since. And I am going to be selling it. I'm going to be taking a large portion of that profit. Be funding a new 3D printer because mine broke. And this is how much I made on the investment as of today, almost 60%. I am obviously still going to hold this since it's still not the end of the year, and tax purposes, it's better for you to sell next year, not within the same year, because of the capital gains tax, all that. I'm not going to get too much into it because I'm not really a finance channel. I still don't know what I'm going to be doing with the profits. Most likely I will be spending it on a new 3D printer. The one I have kind of broke and it's giving me issues, and I do want a new one, a more expensive, you could say better quality one that could actually print carbon fiber parts, because there is some stuff I want to develop for the BRZ and potentially add that to my website, where maybe that can make more revenue for me, which all the money I make from all this goes back into the YouTube channel to be able to fund more parts for the car, or just be able to do more stuff for this YouTube channel. So it's kind of like a little circle. Everything kind of goes back into the channel. And this kind of just shows you guys that you don't really need to spend a lot of money when you go to like all these public events. Obviously, getting into like the more exclusive stuff is always better, and you do need a lot of money for that. I forget how much the tickets are for the Quail. I think they might be like $1,000 or $2,000. So for next year's Quail event, at least you're gonna have a good percentage of it already like made, where you could put that money into a Quail ticket. I think it's a little bit overpriced, but I think if you could get the Quail tickets for retail, and I know this year there was a big issue of people buying the Quail tickets and then reselling them, I'll say if you're paying retail, it's definitely worth going to the Quail. I'm gonna try my best to go next year. But once again, I'm not a big YouTuber that could be just throwing money left and right. I do have to budget everything. And definitely the Quail is on my list of eventually going one of these years, because I try to go every year to Monterey Car Week. I really like the new Lamborghinis, and I also really like the Lotus Evija, I believe that's what it's called, the electric $1 million one that crashed over there at Goodwood. I can't believe on the first day I went, I saw one just cruising down the street. I really wish it wasn't a $1 million car. That car, if they put a, I don't know, V8 or V10 and they sold it for like $200,000-$300,000, I think it would really kill it. I really want to get a Lotus Emira probably once they kind of go down in price. I believe it was the first year that they came out. Oh, dude, bro, put your turn signal. This year was the first year that they came out in the US, and prices are still in the 100K mark. But I guarantee that car is going to go down to like the 60s to 70K mark, just like the C8s did. I am sorry, it kind of took me a while to pretty much make this video and put it out. I just been so busy with other videos and just constantly still working a regular job. So it definitely puts a hiatus on like being able to put these videos out, because I'm still working a regular job. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Good vibes. You guys are interested in any merch, have it down in the description. And yeah, peace.